I have to tie them up. They were starting to droop. There's so much weight on them from the tomatoes. I gotta get back and get my hooks hanging. Three more. That should be the last one to tie up. I know I still got the cherry tomatoes, I guess. Oh, that one come unhooked. This just keep the wind or the weight of the tomatoes from snapping them off. I put one group down towards the bottom to hold the main stalk. Then I put a couple at the top. And there it keeps coming unhooked. Must be it's not a very good clip. There it goes. I'll put another couple on the top to keep it going straight. I had some surprise vegetables over there in the old chicken fence. Not sure if it's watermelon or pumpkin. Looks like pumpkin to me, but we give all our old vegetables to the chickens, so I'm sure they probably scratched a couple of the seeds down into the dirt when they were cleaning. Alright, that one's done. That'll give them a chance to get some more size to them. Alright, down to the cherry tomatoes. Guess I don't have to tie the beans up. They're already self-climbing there. Whoa! That's good for the back. Clip to go around the plant. See, I go around the pipe towards the bottom a little bit. That holds her on. Then I try to put one up, set up towards the top. There. Guess it needs a taller stake. Those cherry tomatoes getting tall. I don't have a stake for that short one. So far, I guess it's doing okay. I had a few questions on these this bucket system. Yes, I water from the troughs. We haven't had rain in over 3 weeks. So I not only, about once a week I'll come in with the hose and just wet down the tops of the bucket so that the soil on the top is damp too. That way it gives the roots that are towards the top of the bucket some water too. I don't normally do that unless we're getting a drought like we have been. And like I said, it hasn't rained in 3 or 4 weeks, so you have to do what you have to do. Normally the self-watering on the bottom takes care of it for the full season. As long as you get water at least once a week. But we didn't really have a spring. We went right from winter to summer, pretty much, as far as weather goes. Going from about 40 degrees right to 90 degrees. Guess I better put a couple of them on that one too. Let's hold that one up from falling down. We start getting the weight of them tomatoes on there. And, all right, where's the strongest one here? For that one, it's right there. All right, that should keep that one. Should keep that one from falling. Last one. I've already got the top hooked. I didn't get the bottom in there. Well, we've also had questions on whether these are wicking buckets. Yes, they are. On the bottom of each one of these buckets has a neck cup or a wick, cotton wick, that goes down into the trough. Tie this one up too. Actually, I'll just tie it right to one of these other branches. That didn't want to clip. There it goes. All right. If this one gets any longer, I'm going to have to clip it over there. All right. But I don't remember if there was any other questions on this bucket system, but you can see I'll be picking tomatoes up next to my head, and that sure beats hurting your back. And as far as weeding, you can see I weeded this about 2 weeks ago, and you just walk down through. If you see a weed every now and then, you just pluck it out. I don't see any weeds in those. These jalapenos are really doing good. And these are the Fooled You jalapenos. And the mini bells were starting to get blossoms on them. They've got a bunch of blossoms now. All kinds of blossoms. That's good. I love the mini bells. They're the ones you get in the store that are all them different colors: orange, red, yellow. I saved the seeds from some of the peppers, dried them out on a paper plate, and when they were dry I put them in a envelope and saved them for the next season. Well, you can see these jalapenos are not hot. Very good taste. They taste just like a jalapeno, but there's no heat whatsoever. Wish you could have tasted that. Alright, I'm going to put these back in the greenhouse, and now that I've watered the pumpkin or the watermelon or the squash or whatever it is, because they were looking like they were starting to droop from the heat. We just discovered those the other day. Well, they're all taken care of. What's the matter?
We gotta fix that before we go inside.
Gotta fix what?
That plant.
What plant?
The one that got knocked down by accident.
You mean this box? That was knocked down before I got out here.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm sorry. Want me to fix it?
No, I'm just
I
telling
can
you.
fix it.
Telling you, it was knocked down before I got out here. The hose was already half down.
Oh, it probably just slipped over there. I just said we gotta fix that before we go in. One of my house plants fell over.
There you go.
Oh, we put the tag in it, honey?
Huh?
We put the tag in it for me. Sorry, guys.
That was it.
Just, I don't know how that happened. Can you dump the rest of that dirt in there? So it's
Where?
in that pot on top of it. Yeah, that's good. And then, okay, so do we need a space right here? Yeah, things got moved around a little bit with the...
Need a space right between these two poles.
Okay.
This should be cleared off.
Okay. I'll have to do that. I gotta clear up space. I got all my...
I gotta go get washed up and...
I made him clean it up only because he's dirty.
I need my shower yet.
Yes, I know. That poor baby.
Oh, it was up under 100 degrees today.
So that's pretty much what's going on here, huh?
Yeah, I got weed eat around the stump and knock some of the ants are eating it right up, so
Oh yeah, look at the stump, guys.
it's ready to fall apart now, which is good. I want to get rid of the big old stump. This was one massive tree.
Yeah, it was.
See, it's falling right apart. I'm just going to take the rings off in it and take the big rake and just rake it down till everything falls off, and then
I wasn't being mean to Clay by asking him to fix the plant. My hand's in the cast and it accidentally tipped over, so I knew he was already dirty. We help each other.
It's hard for you to get your hand washed by what you was using one hand. All right.
Okay.
Really didn't have the energy to go do all that, but
I know,
I
dear.
did it. I'm going to sit down for a minute.
You want to wash up first, or are we going to wait? You look like you got like little prickles on you.
Probably do. I was over near them weeds in the
Oh, you were?
watering them watermelons or,
Oh, okay.
or pumpkins.
So we're
Hopefully they're pumpkins. I don't know.
we're gonna take a little bit of a break here.
Yeah, I guess I got a bunch of stick tights on me all over.
Yeah, I just
The wash machine will knock them off the...
So we had to run and pick up some groceries today, and came in. It was like
I
almost
mowed first thing
100.
this morning. Looks a whole lot better.
Yeah,
Not that we're getting any water,
I know it.
but I put the mower up on high, so
Here
all I
comes
was mowing was the tall weeds.
Charlene. was like 100 degrees today. Super, super hot.
I'm not good when it gets real hot.
But you were good in Walmart today because you put those yellow glasses on.
Yes.
It seemed better for you.
Those fluorescent lights make me dizzy and feel like I'm going to fall over. So I put some yellow safety glasses on. And color of the glasses tinted down the bright lights in Walmart. It only the only time I get dizzy like that is Walmart and Lowe's. All the other stores I go into, I don't have a problem. I can use my regular glasses. I don't know if anybody else has problems with that. The lights in Walmart, but I do.
I heard a lot of people do. It was so warm. And then I was talking to my sisters all day about transdenia plants. My two sisters about plants of different varieties. And one of my nephews got married today. So they got some pictures.
I also got the tarp underneath the bee table.
Oh, you do? Good.
Yeah, I had to fold it in half and staple down around the edges so it held it together so I could lay it down flat.
Oh, good,
Then I put the table on top.
Good.
Flies won't leave me alone. Probably because I stink so bad.
You don't smell.
Well, you do when you get sweaty, you stink. That's what attracts some flies, that's for sure.
Yeah, they say that mosquitoes sting you with, they have like 6 needles.
Well,
in
the only
their
ones that
thing.
bite are the females.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Then that it needs your blood to, they're babies or something. And they make a buzzing sound.
That's what helps fertilize their eggs.
And the male and the female make a buzzing sound. They're both different. And then when they get together, they harmonize and they know they found a mate. So.
Wow, it's 7 o'clock already.
I know. It's a long day. Trying to get things done one-handed is always fun. So I've been doing my chores and you've been doing your chores.
If it was 7 o'clock at night, or 7 o'clock at night in the winter, it'd already be blackout right now. This stays late till about 8:30.
Oh, yeah. We went to Walmart. Every time somebody, I don't know how it is at your Walmart, but every time somebody goes through the line, they have to wash the counters. And Clay found a cell phone, and they're going to mail him a new SIM card. Because I guess the old one they can't use anymore because it was
when
reported
they shut it off, they put it on
stolen.
in something in their thing, and it won't recharge or won't set it or something. So they sent us a free SIM card for it.
And you can't go to, and I had them send
They said
it.
you could either send it or you could go to Verizon. Well, our Verizon store is closed because of the coronavirus.
Yeah. So there's a lot of times you think, oh, I'll just go over. You can't. So, anyway.
All we need is a little bit of a breeze right now. It'd be feel real good.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Well, guys, it's been real. Remember,
Big or small, you too can be a backyard farm.
God bless.